Can't detect any heartbeat. Excuse me? I'm here for my procedure? This place is pretty creepy. I've just gotta be brave. Alright, here we go! Almost done. Almost done. Phew, some of my best work. Here you go. Take a look. Wow! They're so amazing! Thank you! I absolutely love them! Alright, here we go! We've been practicing so hard! We got this! Ooh, that looks like it hurt. I can't believe you dropped me! My jeans are totally ripped! Sorry. Not for us. Next! Thanks for the opportunity. Ha! Look at these two with the holes in their pants. Losers! Come on, let's go! I can't believe this happened! We worked so hard! There's gotta be a way to fix this. Look! A 3D pen! This could work. Watch. Just give me your jeans with a hole. I'm gonna start drawing with the 3D pen. Lines all the way to the center of the hole. Good. And now some circles, too. All the way around. I'll do a little wave with the next ones. It'll give it a cool spiderweb vibe. There we go. All done. See? Now it's a cool design and not a hole. Wow! You're a genius! Come on! We can still save our challenge! Aren't these two the ones with the holy pants? Looks like the hole is gone. We'll allow it. This time we'll get it right! Yes! I didn't fall this time! Very nice! Much better. 10s across the board! I knew we could win! Thank you!
Just doing some cleaning. What's this?
Drink rings on the furniture?
There we go. All cleaned up.
More drink rings? I thought I already cleaned some. Well, these ones came right up too. On to the next room. On the mirror? How is this even possible? I'll just get this off his face. You just keep napping, dear. Phew! That's a lot of cleaning. What? Look at all those rings! This is getting out of control! Huh? What's this? Oh, it's one of those 3D pens. Huh. Might as well just give it a try. I'll need to measure a cut by tracing it. Just like that. Now to give it some character. Eyes and a mouth to start. Look at that little face. So cute! Alright, now to start with the 3D pen. I'll just fill in the circle with this yellow. Done! Now for some white. Just have to fill in the eyes. Black for the pupils and mouth. Can't forget the cute little tongue. Oh, it turned out darling! Oh, this little face, it's just so cute! Mom? What are you doing? No! Don't you dare put that drink down! Go, little face! Save the furniture! Phew! From now on, you use a coaster. I'm tired of having to clean all the rings on the furniture. And, maybe clean up your room, too. I have to admit, it's a cute coaster. Oh, class is starting! Where's my chair? Here it is, ma'am! Yes, well, thank you, I suppose. Time to start grading. Oh, where's my pen? Here you go! Now you can start writing. Oh, well, thank you. This towel isn't working at all. Here's some water to make cleaning the board easier. And don't forget to do your homework tonight. Her phone! No! I got it! It's safe! Oh! Thank you so much! I'll take it back. But ma'am! Your phone's so slippery. It could happen again. Here, I can fix it for you. Let me show you. I'll use my 3D pen to draw around your case. I'll just fill it all in. All the way from the top to the bottom. Can't forget the sides, though. All the edges are slippery, too. And done! It's all covered! Look! It's a brand new case that's not slippery! Oh my goodness! Thank you so much! Oh, excuse me. I have a call. Whoa! This is a big monitor! It's gonna be so great, though! Okay. Looks like there's some cords. Oh, a lot of cords. Why so many? I think this one goes in the back. This one here. And then these ones. Oh, that was a lot of work. Now there's cords everywhere, though. I made such cute rings. Oh wow, she's in a tangled mess. You've got a lot of cords here, huh? Hey! I think we can use the 3D pen to fix things! Look! I'll just put the cord here, and then use the pen. See? It's holding it in place. Ta-da! Organized and colorful now. It's ready for me to finish plugging in? Oh my gosh! Thank you so much! It looks so good, too! Let's see if she's actually asleep. She moved! I gotta take it and get out of here! Phew, that was a close one. Hey! Look! I got her makeup bag! No! We can't use that. She'll get mad. Ugh, you're such a wimp. She's gonna get in trouble. Yes! This lipstick is rad! Oh my gosh, are those her scissors? Maybe my hair could use a little trim. Bangs are gonna be great! Just gotta cut them straight across. Oh no! What have I done? Ah! Ugh. Now what? Oh, wow. That's a problem. Hey! The 3D pen! This will totally fix the problem! Just gotta draw the shape like this. And now to fill it in. Just like that. Done! Okay, now I've gotta flip it over. I'll put a little dot here and secure the ends together. There we go. On to the next step. Some blue dots will help. Not too many, though. Okay, I think I'm finished. Look what I made you. Here. Let me show you. See? Now your bangs are pinned back. Wow! Thank you so much! Ahem. Who took my makeup bag? It was her! Not me! What hacks have you tried with a 3D pen? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!